Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Shazam directly within Snapchat. Snapchat is one of the most popular social media platforms, offering a ton of features like filters, stickers, and adding music to your snaps. But did you know that Snapchat has Shazam built right in? If not, stick around and I'll show you how it works. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Now, all you need to do is press and hold your finger on the screen. Snapchat will automatically start scanning for the music playing around you. After a few seconds, it will recognize the song and show you the result. Once the song is identified, you can do a few things. Share the song with someone, get more information about the song, or you can play the song on your favorite music app. When you choose to play the song, Snapchat will ask where you want to play it. I'm going to choose Shazam. As you can see, the song is now playing. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.